Can you swallow it? You can't?
Dry.
Here, try
dry.
taking a little water with it.
Nope.
God, really?
Now your turn, Kyle.
Oh, it tastes so bad.
I know. You ready,
Come on,
Kyle?
Are you gonna do this?
Are you gonna do this?
Yeah, are you?
Maybe.
You have to
He's
answer.
going to
Come on.
just after you.
Come on, Kyle.
Yeah,
Is it
me and
hard?
Zach are both gonna do it after you.
No, I'm not.
No, but
I'm not
usually-
doing it.
They usually like triple this.
Okay,
Yeah, look,
Kyle,
yours
do
is
it.
shorter than DJ's.
Yeah, I
DJ's
know.
was like a whole freaking spoon.
Do it.
Dude,
Go.
is it that bad?
Dude, it dries out your mouth. Come on, go. It was impossible to swallow. Kyle,
Come on,
go.
you
Stop
can
being a
eat it.
wuss.
Come on.
Come on.
Let me try. Let me try. Give me some.
Come on, go longer than DJ did.
I can't eat it, can't you? It makes it worse.
It makes it worse.
Oh God,
Dude, and you had less than DJ.
it's bad.
I know.
Oh my God.
Hey, let me try.
Kyle,
You wanna
said
try,
you would
Zeke?
do it.
All right, Zeke wants to try. DJ, load him up a spoon.
Hook him up.
Oh, it tastes awful.
All right, load him up a spoon. Put the chili powder in there too.
You can do the whole thing.
No, he's not.
I'm still filming.
Yes, you are.
I promise I won't. Go!
No, Zeke.
Dude!
Look, no, he's just running normal. Come on, Zeke.
Okay, that's good.
I'm still filming.
Alright, close it up and put it back in there. Alright, Zeke, you going?
Give me some water.
Oh, okay. Here,
Just
you want
drink-
this? Will you drink this?
Alright, go.
It dries your mouth.
There's chili powder in there too! DJ put chili powder!
Is it hot?
Dude, he put chili powder
Dry?
in
Is it
there.
Dude, my
dry?
phone died.
Are you serious? Dude, he put chili powder in there. DJ, why'd you do that? That's so messed up.
Eat it, Zeke, come on.
Yo, guys,
Come
we
on.
should do challenges the whole night. Challenges.
Come on, Zeke, you do it.
Salt and ice challenge next. Who's going?
Me,
me.
I'm doing it.
Come on, Zeke, go ahead.
Is it bad?
There's chili powder
Is your
too.
mouth dry, look, dude?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
I put chili powder in there too.
Wow, he's a man.
You can't even swallow it. Did you?
Talk.
Because it was less than me. It was less than his. But I added some chili
Drink
powder
milk
in
now, dude.
there.
Wait, did you taste the chili pepper?
No. Aw, dude, I should have dumped
Robert,
the whole
Robert,
thing
send
in
it to me when you're done.
Ugh.
there. Oh yeah, drink that. Go back to the
Okay, salt and ice challenge.
No, I'm not doing that.
I am. I'm not doing that.